Ever heard of the New Zealand kiwi? Not just the bird, but the delicious fruit that has become one of the country's most iconic exports. Despite being a relatively small nation with a modest population, New Zealand has managed to turn kiwi fruit into a global sensation. But how did they do it? In this video, we take you inside one of the largest kiwi packing factories in the Southern Hemisphere. This facility processes an incredible 60 million boxes of kiwis every year, working with over 800 farms to bring you the freshest fruit possible. First stop, the packaging workshop. Before the kiwis even arrive, workers are busy making eco-friendly cartons to ship them worldwide. The production line is highly automated. Workers feed carton components into machines, which then assemble them at impressive speeds. It's a fast-paced job, and wages are based on productivity. One worker shared that when she first started, keeping up with the machines was tough, but after about a week, she got the hang of it. Now she earns up to $32.64 per hour, a great salary by New Zealand standards. Sorting and grading the kiwis. Once harvested, the kiwis are dropped onto a massive conveyor belt and move into the sorting section. Advanced machines scan and grade each fruit based on size, ripeness, and weight, sorting them into different quality levels. Using high-speed cameras, the system captures 500 images per kiwi to ensure precise classification. Completely automated, no human hands required. If you think this level of automation is impressive, don't forget to like this video. Manual inspection and packing. Even with all this technology, human workers still play a crucial role. After machine sorting, employees manually check for imperfections, removing any damaged or misshapen kiwis. The best quality fruits are then packed into cartons, labeled with unique tracking data, and sent down the production line. Many of these jobs are filled by seasonal workers, international students, and work travel visitors who quickly adapt to the fast-paced environment. From March to November, this factory is operating at full capacity, ensuring fresh kiwis make it to markets worldwide. High-tech kiwi packing. Some kiwis are packed by hand, while others are handled by robotic systems. Harder kiwis go through automated packing lines, while softer ones are placed using a vacuum suction machine equipped with laser guidance technology. This ensures each kiwi is carefully picked and placed without bruising. The final step, cold storage. To maintain perfect ripeness and texture, packed kiwis are stored at precisely 0 to 0.3 degrees Celsius in a controlled atmosphere with low oxygen and high CO2 levels. This slows the ripening process, allowing kiwis to stay fresh for longer as they travel across the world. What do you think? That's a wrap for today's video. What are your thoughts on New Zealand's kiwi packaging process? Do you have any ideas or insights? Let's discuss in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing industrial and tech content. See you in the next video.